Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cook with Mr. Dan here. I had a request from my, I wasn't really a request, but my wife was talking to her nephew last night, and he said I never wear this hat. And I do, I rotate all my hats around. Okay, so anyway, Derek, this for you. But anyway, today we're going to make a chicken persillade sauce. What that is in French, the persillade means garlic and parsley mix. Okay, there's a sauce for that I was gonna make, but then I saw this. This is a Jacques Pepin recipe, so I'm gonna try this first. And I like the combination, but there's also a sauce that you make with this that's kind of like a pesto sauce, a basil pesto, but it's not basil, it'll be parsley. So I think I'm gonna try that one day this week so we can show you guys the sauce. But for today, this is chicken persillade. I think that's how you say it. But anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna crank this up here, put my about medium high, somewhere in there, like that. I got some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon and a half. Here I also have some butter, about a tablespoon and a half that I cut up already. I'm gonna throw that in a bit. We're gonna chop this up a little bit. Here I have some parsley. It was a half a cup, but now it's starting to expand again, but it's about a half a cup. And then here I couldn't get no real chives for some reason. Nobody had them, so I got these instead. This will work good. I'm going to use a couple tablespoons of that. And it calls for 1 large chicken breast. However, you can see these are not large. This is a Florida chicken breast. So anyway, that's that. We're going to use 2 of those. And we're going to put a little salt and pepper on there. So let's get to it. Quick recipe. Okay, so I already patted these dry. And this is a little butter in there, because I put my butter in there first. I said, no, I don't want to do that. So anyway, before we get too far into this, we're going to salt and pepper both of these sides here. Okay. Just going to give it some flavor. Flip that over, flip this over. Again, more salt and pepper. Really quick, really simple, easy recipe. Now this is just the chicken part. You guys can have this with anything you want. You can make noodles, you can do some rice, have some french fries, do whatever you like, but it's nice. Easy dish. You come home, thaw out the chicken, probably in the morning. Anyhow, so what we're going to do here is we're going to just cut these into chunks. But for now, we're just going to slice them long ways. And if you get 1 large chicken breast, it'll be enough for 2 people at least. But this was a little small, I thought, so I'm doubling it up. But it's going to be good. I probably could have used this for 1 person, I'm sure. 2 people, I don't know. We likes our chicken. Okay, as you can tell, I cook a lot of chicken. Now my pan I can smell is getting heated up in there, but that's okay. We got a little bit of time yet. And I'm trying to make this, cut these pieces. I'm trying to cut them approximately the same size so they cooked about the same. One thing I didn't put out of here, I'm going to get some flour. Flour these up a little bit. Let me just rinse my hands on my cutting board here. Dry this up with a paper towel here. That way we can chop up our garlic and no one's going to say, he's cross-contaminating stuff. Doesn't matter, it's in my house anyway. But, I try to do this all the time, especially with chicken, pork. You don't want no issue, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so what I'm going to do here now is get a little bit of flour. Probably going to use my, let's use some of this flour here real quick. Because you're only going to dust this. It's not going to be a major thing, so my pan is definitely heating up, but I want to get this on the road here. So we'll throw a little bit on here for now, and you want to just very lightly coat it, but try to get it all coated. You don't want it clumping up. It's about maybe 2 tablespoons, I'm not sure, but somewhere in the ballpark of that. There you go. Just a light dusting. And right before we put them in the pan, we'll shake them off. Okay, so now I'm going to slide you guys down by the pan here, because I do believe our pan is warm enough. How's that? Not too bad. Okay, so stop shaking. Stop. I think I got the DTs or something, huh? So we're going to put a little bit of oil in here, and then we're going to put our butter right behind it. We'll let that melt. It's doing this thing already, huh? Okay, so now we're going to just plop in our chicken. Get this to cooking. It'll only take a couple of minutes to cook, but we want to get it in there nonetheless. Because while this is cooking, I'm just going to do a fast chop on my parsley. I already took the stems off, so it's going to make that a little quicker. Okay, that takes care of that part. My flipping skills are still working on those, but it don't matter. Just trying to get it going. So here we have this here. Now we're going to cook this till they're done, but we don't want to overcook them. I don't want to take them like rubber. But yeah, turn this up a tad. Okay, so while this is cooking, we'll bring it over here, and we're going to show you what we're going to do here with the fresh garlic that I got here. I just bought another bag, so got about 15 more bulbs to go. Chicken's smelling good already. Hear that sizzling, right? Sizzle cells. That's all you gotta remember. Sizzle cells. The aroma of this garlic right now, because it's nice and fresh. Okay, so we'll take that. We'll take some of our parsley here. Same thing. We're just gonna chop this up. Watch your fingers. Don't go fast. Don't go crazy. Like I said, it's going to be about a half a cup of parsley, give or take. I'm just going to try to incorporate all this together. This is actually probably a little bit more than I'm going to need, but I don't care. I like parsley. Parsley, now a little parsley never hurt. There it is. We're going to add this in at the end when the chicken is about done. We're just going to let it cook off for about maybe 30 seconds or so, maybe a little longer. And then we're going to add some safety seal, right? Some of our chives here to the mix. We're going to do, like I said, probably about a couple tablespoons worth. And again, okay, so we got the garlic, the chives, and the parsley ready to rock, huh? Okay, back over to your chicken. See what we got here. Oh yeah. That's starting to get golden brown. Let me get a pair of tongs over here, make it easy. Yeah, I was happened to be watching this, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, whatever, and Jacques Pepin was doing this recipe, Cooking from Home, I think they call the show. It's on public channel, whatever, 3, 5, 7, 9, I don't know. But anyway, I like watching some of the old guys cook, you know. And he's been around ever since I was a kid. So I saw this and I said, well, let me try it, because I had also seen a recipe for making this as a sauce. And that reminded me like of a basil pesto sauce, right? So I think, well, let me try that. And then I saw this video, and it wasn't so much a sauce as it was, it's going to be the juices from the pan that mixes with everything, see? Like a pan sauce, I guess you can call it. But it looks so quick and so easy, and it's got to taste good with garlic and parsley on there, some salt and pepper. And you can season up any way you want. You can take this and get some hot sauce, dip it in hot sauce, I don't care. But you can, it's just a main chicken thing where you can do whatever you want as a side dish with it, you know. Whatever you like, just go for it. This is just so easy. And I was thinking, well, let me try this. It's got to be good. You know, like Justin Wilson, remember that old guy? Yeah, it tastes good. Yeah, okay, my friend. Okay, so just a couple more minutes on this, and that will be that. Okay, so I believe my chicken is about there. It's been doing about 5 or 6 minutes, I guess. So I'm going to pour some of this stuff right here. And that smells, I'm just going to do it all. Really, the aroma already, just a little bit that's in there. Whew. Oh yeah. I can see why people like this kind of a sauce too. This smells wonderful here. Wonderful. That's right, Mr. Dan used the word wonderful. We don't want to burn the parsley. We don't want to burn anything, so. Oh, excuse me. I went down the wrong pipe. Okay, I suspect we're about done here. Let me get a plate and we'll plate this up real quick. I'm going to turn the fire off because I think we're done. I know we're done. Like this, the aroma that's wafting from this pan is outstanding. It's over the top. I'll be right back with a plate. Okay guys, there you have it. We're going to meet you at the taste test table. Okay guys, here we are with our Persillade chicken. The aroma in the kitchen right now, totally above board. Let's see what we got here. I did put a little dash of hot paprika on here. I wanted to kick it up a notch. First bite. Buttery, garlicky. You can definitely taste the parsley. Can't taste the chives as much. But nonetheless, the chicken is cooked perfectly. Tender, look, a fork tender. Like I said, this is just your main protein. Nick, cook whatever you want with it. Put some rice there, some corn. We're going to have a salad tonight with some lentils, and I think that'll be that's going to be our meal. So without further ado, one more bite. Hey Derek, here's to you, okay? Got my hat on. Quick, easy recipe. Everybody's going to enjoy this one. So, give us a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, a little notification bell will pop down. You hit that, that'll notify you each time that we come up with another video. Also, there's an arrow down box right below the video. You hit that, drop down box will come down. Give you a link to my Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page. It'll give you a link to my daughter's artwork site. And give you the complete recipe, ingredients, and how we put this all together. So until next time, my friends, stay hungry, and we will come back when you are, and we will give you another delicious recipe just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying we're out for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.